If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm happy to introduce you to the Violet Barrel Bag, a So Many Creations pattern. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. Now this one I've chosen to do in a mixture of corks and vinyls. It looks amazing in vinyl, it looks amazing in cork. I just love it. Now it's like a medium-sized bowler, small to medium size, I guess. On the sides we have two slip pockets here. We have an optional crossbody strap, a double zip closure. This one I've done with handbag length straps. You could definitely have those done as shoulder bag length if you prefer. Double zip closure. And then on the inside, you see it's nice and deep, and that lining sits nice and top. And I have a zipper pocket on one side, and I've done a large slip pocket on this side, mainly for a large cell phone. I figured it would be really easy just to slip your cell phone in there, and then you always know where it is. But of course, that can be divided into two pockets as well. Again, this can be made in cork, it could be made in vinyl. This part here could be a cotton print, but here has to be either a vinyl, cork, or leather. Yeah, I just love it. This one here has already sold, but if you would like to order one of these for yourself, if you're one of my clients, you know what to do. All my information is down below to place your custom order. And if you're part of the Bag Makers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.